Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows script host error in Windows. First method is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options. Check Full Scan, click Scan Now. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand .vbs. Click Persistent Handler, open default. Change value data to VBS file. Third method is open any browser. Type Microsoft Safety Scanner in browser search bar, click Microsoft Safety Scanner download. Click Download Microsoft Safety Scanner. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.